Hey there, this is Kai from Nova. Today we are exploring Coinecta, one of the first token launch platforms on the Cardano blockchain. In this video, I will give you a brief overview, show you how to stake your CNCT tokens, and participate in initial DEX offerings. Support our journey towards bringing blockchain closer to the masses by delegating your ADA to our stake pool Nova, or staking your WMT with Nova Earth nodes. Your support fuels our content, helping us educate and grow this vibrant community. Coinecta is a token launch platform that supports projects without VC funding. Fairness, transparency, and a vibrant Cardano blockchain ecosystem are its core values. Smart contracts simplify community funding, making Coinecta launches faster, cheaper, and more transparent. They work with notable Cardano and Ergo projects to provide a safe and trusted investing experience. Currently, there are a few IDOs that launching soon on Cardano, with many more to come in the future. I will demonstrate in this video how easy it is to join an IDO. Their previous Ergo blockchain efforts have attracted projects and liquidity, showing their deep understanding of the markets. Coinecta serves investors seeking secure and transparent investments on the Cardano or Ergo blockchain, and project teams seeking money and support for their unique projects. Its trustworthy environment for investors and extensive array of services for creators, from funding to project consultation, make it a crucial platform for blockchain innovation and investment. In order to take part in an IDO, you need to check out the projects that are displayed on the website. Everything from their website and white paper to all of their social media may be seen on the project's page. A brief overview of the project and its members is also provided. Prior to a project being admitted to the IDO, Coinecta and its analytics and risk assessment partners, like Xerberus and CRCI, do thorough due diligence. The tokenomics and amount of tokens for sale are also displayed here. Last but not least, there's a given period and a specified quantity of ADA that you can contribute to take part in the token sale. The remaining time and progress of the token sale may be seen here. Your allocation is based on a quantity of CNCT tokens that you stake with Coinecta. Staking CNCT tokens requires connecting your wallet to the website and signing a verification transaction. It is important that you verify that you're on the official website before connecting your wallet. A light wallet is required because data signing is not yet available on Ledger or Trezor devices. Rest assured, your funds will remain unaffected. The dashboard allows you to add a stake once you are connected. Choose Add Stake. Here, you will have to specify the amount of CNCT tokens and the staking duration. Depending on the chosen period, your rewards APY will vary. Verify the stake by reviewing the transaction and signing it. Keep in mind that these tokens will be locked in a chosen period. That means you cannot withdraw your stake. Under Manage Positions, you will be able to view your stake once the transaction has been executed. You will also receive an NFT receipt that you will need to withdraw your stake later. Depending on your choice, you have the option to have one stake or numerous stakes. Your positions will be available for redemption once the locking period ends. On the overview page, you can easily see your total vested tokens, unclaimed tokens, and portfolio worth in one glance. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video with your friends, and consider delegating your ADA to Nova. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.